If you're looking for a simple, easy to use Bluetooth mouse, this is probably the one that you can choose. This is the Logitech M196, as you see there. This is a Bluetooth mouse, so connection is pretty easy. You can push this button right here for power and Bluetooth. Push it once. Oh, let's try that again. There we go. Push it once, and once it starts flashing red, it just lets you know that it is ready to be paired. Nothing super fancy about this mouse. Simple left click, right click, and the scroll wheel right there. No buttons on the left, no buttons on the right. Simple, easy to use mouse with the simple instructions for connecting. You would probably use this if you're a student. I know a lot of students are starting school right now. You can pick these up very, very cheap at Best Buy, Walmart. Doesn't matter where, and the process is super easy. Changing the battery is easy too. You have the little cutout here. You can slide your thumb underneath there. It reveals the battery. You can take this out, and let's take that out just like that. Slide that back in at an angle, push this back in, and then you're ready to go. Let's just get this back in here. Simple. You don't have to worry about losing the receiver. Some mices here have the USB receiver that you have to connect to your laptop. None of that. All done via Bluetooth, and it's simple. So, hope you like the video. Check out the Logitech M196.